Are you looking for the best tool bag? In this video we will look at some of the best tool bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DeWalt DG 5543 16 inches 33 pocket tool bag. The DeWalt 16-inch Tradesman's tool bag is a very well designed and very tough tool bag that has been built for just about anyone. It features a very smart snap opening mounted to the top of the main compartment. This design feature helps the bag to open extra wide, really letting you make the most of the internal space. The DeWalt 18-inch Contractor's tool bag was designed with professionals in mind. It's a closed-top bag with a pop-up central compartment for easy access. It has 28 exterior pockets, including 3 flap-covered pockets plus 1 drawstring pocket to keep small parts from spilling out. The bag has been made from heavy-duty poly and ballistic poly fabric construction that make it durable. It also includes base pads to protect the bottom from water and debris. The adjustable, non-slip padded shoulder straps make it comfortable to carry. It has been made from poly fabric material as well as rubberized feet to prevent scuffing to the base. An adjustable strap and carry handles make it easy to lug around. The 33 pockets have been included to provide a wide range of storage options. Pros: it features a huge internal storage space for storing long or oversized tools. The bag has a heavy-duty poly fabric construction. It has 33 storage pockets that provide a wide range of storage options. It has rubberized feet to prevent scuffing to the base. It's durable due to its construction. This is a great bag for drills and bits. Cons: it has faulty stitching on the straps. Number 2. Klein Tools 55421 BP14 tool bag. The Klein Electrician's tool bag has no less than 39 small pockets that are great for storing small and fiddly bits and pieces. This makes it great not only for electricians but equally great for home carrying mechanics tools too. It's a nice sturdy bag with a molded bottom to increase the carrying capacity, prevent sagging, and provide a nice solid base when you place the bag onto the floor. This bag also features a protective, molded pocket mounted to the front. It has been designed to protect safety glasses but could be used to store anything that's quite delicate. This tool bag is ideal for individuals looking for a strapless bag and do not wish to carry anything at all. It's spacious enough so you can pack a lot in. This tool bag has 24 pockets dotted throughout the bag. However, the most impressive feature is the central compartment. It's huge enough to store a range of tools. Besides, it has an orange interior that makes it easy to spot smaller bits and pieces stored in the bag. If you have a large load of tools that you need to move as easily as possible, this bag could be worth the investment. Pros: it features a protective safety glass pocket. It's extra tall for longer tools. It has an abundance of little pockets that are great for carrying small and fiddly tools. It's a nice sturdy bag with a molded bottom. The molded bottom increases the carrying capacity and prevents sagging. Cons: their zippers on this tool bag are weak and do not last. Number 3. Veto Pro Pack Tech Pack Service Technician Bag. The Veto Pro Pack Technician Bag has its inside taken up with around 56 pockets and pouches split between 4 distinct areas of the bag. Therefore, it's quite similar to the Electrician tool bag reviewed above because it provides a lot of small but well-designed storage spaces to take smaller tools and bits and pieces. The Veto Pro MC tool bag is the perfect tool bag for diagnostic jobs. Its sleek, vertical design allows you to set up in tight spaces with easy access to all of your tools. It offers 20 interior and exterior pockets for handling tools, meter, and a compact cordless drill driver compartment. It allows technicians and contractors to set up multiple job-specific bags that can also feed out of their LC. The MC has a waterproof base with 3 mm injection molded polypropylene The waterproof body and tools pockets have been made using PVC impregnated denier fabric that makes it durable. This bag holds plenty of essential tools for different types of work and is convenient enough to carry everywhere. Pros: this tool bag is quite comfortable to carry because of the ergonomic back padding. The bag has a tough nylon construction augmented with high-quality stitching. It has vertical pockets for quick access to tools. It has quick-release clasps for easy access to the back storage bay. It provides ample storage for smaller tools and bits and pieces. This tool bag features a 3mm polypropylene base that prevents sagging. Cons: some of the pockets are too small for common items. Number 4. Klein Tools 55452 RTB Tool Bag. Water resistant. This tool bag is ideal for individuals looking for a strapless bag and do not wish to carry anything at all. It's spacious enough so you can pack a lot in. This tool bag has 24 pockets dotted throughout the bag. However, the Klein Tools canvas tool bag has been built from sturdy canvas with a double layer of canvas on the bottom. The bag has been riveted and stitched for added strength and durability. This is a bolt bag with a ball pin loop on each side. The most impressive feature is the central compartment. It's huge enough to store a range of tools. Besides, it has an orange interior that makes it easy to spot smaller bits and pieces stored in the bag. If you have a large load of tools that you need to move as easily as possible, this bag could be worth the investment. Pros: it's spacious enough to store a range of tools. The orange interior makes it easy to pick out smaller tools. You can store large tools in the central compartment of this tool bag. It features a rolling wheel and an extendable handle so you do not have to carry it. It's great for heavier tools. It has a molded kick plate to protect tools from the elements. Cons: it's rather expensive. Their zippers on the bag fall apart quite easily. Number 5. CLC Custom Leathertcraft 1134 Carpenter's Tool Bag. This custom Leathertcraft, CLC, backpack takes toting your tools to a whole new level. This bag features 2 main zippered compartments, one for tools and parts, and the other for a cordless drill and battery. The adjustable compression pockets can accept bulky items. Besides, it features convenient exterior pockets and dual handles at the top. There are 41 pockets on the inside and 7 pockets on the outside to organize a wide variety of tools and accessories. It's ideal for projects that take you off-road. The backpack has padded back support and straps, an exterior pocket and dual handles at the top. Pros: it has plenty of pockets for storing tools and accessories. This bag features adjustable compression pockets for accommodating items. It features 2 main zippered compartments for storing a cordless drill and battery. It's comfortable to carry because of the padded back support and straps. Cons: it features poor quality zippers that fail easily. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.